Today we're at Robin Hood Bay, but we're camping between Robin Hood Bay and Whitby at a farm.
Yeah, it's called Long Meadow Farm, and it's like slightly bigger than a certified location, but it's a lot smaller than the usual caravan and motorhome club sites that you kind of see.
So no shower block, no toilets, so you've got to be fully contained.
We'll get onto that later, but today we've taken the bus down to Robin Hood Bay, and we spent some time here. It was hard to kind of film and vlog when we were down in the bay itself because there was a lot going on.
Yeah, it was really busy.
But we've been trying to hunt on the beach for some jet because that's very famous around here. We'll get onto that when we get to Whitby tomorrow. And we found an amazing place to eat.
Oh, the food was so good, wasn't it? It's called Brambles.
Yeah, Brambles, that's what it was called.
Yeah.
So I had prawns and surf and turf.
And I ate a load of his steak and some of his chips.
Oh, so good. And they had this like really nice gin as well. And it was all just amazing.
Yeah.
And afterwards there was a little bit of drama with ambulances and whatnot turning up, but we did manage to look in the National Trust Coast Guard bit, which Lily liked.
And through some of the other shops, and Lily got a little leather capped bookmark.
So it's very steep here, and you have to wind your way up afterwards, but it's very picturesque.
It's beautiful.
And we're so glad that we came down and had a look. But yeah, getting here was a bit of a hassle. The bus basically wasn't running properly and we waited over an hour for it. So we could have walked here, but it is a bit of a trek.
Yeah, it would have been about an hour and 20 minutes, I think. And your knee's bad, so...
Yeah. When we were in the restaurant, Morris dancers went past as well. It was amazing. They're like in all of the pubs here. It looks like a right good crack.
They're just going around drinking at every pub and then doing a little dance and sing and then to the next pub and then carry on drinking, and sometimes they're outside singing and drinking.
Yeah, they're having a right good knees up though. I wanted to find out what the dude in the green symbolises, because a lot of them are in the white but some of them in the green, so I don't know, put that down in the comments if you know, or if you're a Morris dancer. Is it all about the dancing?
Or is it the in-between pubbing?
Let us know. So yeah, now we've got back up to the top part, there is more up here. So there's a few more bars, hotels, crazy golf, and the bus stop back up to where we're camped. Find Cat anywhere you go, you Cat.
Oh, you are so lovely. Calico. Look at her out.
So we're back at the van now. There's no showers here, so we're going to use our own. And we'll see you in the morning. Good morning, campers. So we've got up and we're making our way into Whitby along the Cinder Trail, which is an old railway line.
Already seen a nice bridge?
Kelly said, do we have to walk
all the way over there?
All the way over there, and we do. There is a much quicker route, but we've gone this way because we're going to try and see whether we can find anything cool. So yeah, you basically walk over the campsite, walk out of the campsite over the road, and then there is a gate behind the railway track, but we kind of climbed through it because we didn't see it. But then you're on this path that winds its way all the way into Whitby.
So far pretty, loads of dragonflies, butterflies. It's quite busy with bikes and dog walkers as well.
Yeah, we'll watch out for that.
Beautiful.
So the Cinder Trail, so say named because it was built on cinders, ran from Whitby to Scarborough. It was opened in 1885 and then closed as part of Beechin's reforms in 1965, and then since has been transformed into like the National Cycleway and Walkway. It's about 21.7 miles long, and you've got lots of amazing things to see on the way. And on this bit of route, the most impressive thing is the Larpool Viaduct.
Viaduct. It's
Here,
really cool from
the Larpool Viaduct.
I don't think you'll be able to see it.
And how high it is.
It's like
Is it high?
arches like that. I can't see it either.
Ooh, you can see over, see the river.
Close to me, are Lil.
Wow. Still can't see it. Beautiful.
Oh wow.
It's a bit muddy though. You going home for a cup of tea?
1.5 miles to go.
Another part of it.
Huh?
Pretty, isn't it?
Oh, it's gorgeous. So we just walked along something like that. So this is what it looks like underneath. I love it.
Do you reckon this one will echo?
Yeah.
Let's try it out.
I'll try it.
Like the vines.
Me too. Not even Look!
What?
You
Oh
see
wow! What a frame that is! What a frame!
Yeah.
With the Abbey in the background.
Gorgeous, right?
Photo?
Yeah.
You doing?
So my shoe wear, it's like spiky in there.
I know.
On the way I swallowed a bug.
Poor bug.
It hit my throat and it was hard and I was coughing for about 10 minutes, but it went down.
Oh dear.
Yeah.
We've made our way in. Now one thing to point out, and I don't know whether it was a mistake or a stroke of genius on my part, is we've landed in Whitby on Regatta weekend.
It is busy.
It's rad. I don't know if it's normally like this because it is a Sunday anyway and it is very sunny and Whitby is very popular, but the streets are absolutely bustling, so yeah.
It's a bit like in places.
Yeah, and there's still people driving down like these tiny cobbled streets, like honking their horns like crazy lunatics. But yeah, we've been around like the cute, quaint streets on the side, and we found something lovely to eat in the cafe.
Yeah.
Something new, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Not like
Brown bacon, but cinnamon butter.
it's like butter, and they put cinnamon in it, and then you put it on your tea cakes.
It was nice.
Motorbike boys are here.
Really nice.
It was good. Yeah, now we're just debating whether to go up to the Abbey or over the bridge to the other side where there is more festivities going on.
What to do?
When we say it's busy, people are queuing for everything. Everything. Even the Magpie Cafe. Guess it's good. Cool. Now, did you know, Kelly, that Whitby was famous for whaling in the 18th and 19th century?
Well, I got the hint because of those bones.
And there we are, that's why they're there.
But more interesting, let's talk about Dracula. Is it he lived there or his birthdays? I don't know. That's as much as I had.
Dracula was born in Transylvania.
No, right, okay. So the story goes that Bram Stoker stayed in Whitby and took a lot of inspiration from like the Gothic vibes of the Abbey and some of the things that go on here, because it's apparently one of the most haunted places. And it was inspiration for the story of Dracula, so much so that people come and visit here to learn about Dracula, and up in the Abbey actually ask, where is Dracula's grave? It's not here, but people still ask and hunt for it here, because legend has it could be Dracula's final resting place.
Not seen any bats, I think we're safe.
We're sat at the moment, we're right opposite Whitby Abbey, and the famous, if I zoom in, 199 steps to get up to it, which we're not sure whether we're going to be able to do it or not, but that's a problem for later Wanderbus adventures. I have a general rule of thumb that anything that can be erected and taken down in 24 hours or less, you should avoid it. But people seem to be having fun on it. Not for me, that. Not for me.
No. Like
Dale and Rodney's three-wheeler. And up here,
but no.
mini pickup.
It's like our yellow one.
Like Daddy's.
Because we said when we were down in town.
Girls have just gone in to use the toilets. Yeah, so there's a lot going on here today. Probably too much, to be honest, for us, but we are misery gutters. It's a lovely warm day. We'll try and make our way across and get up to the Abbey, if we've got the energy. Exterminate, exterminate. Who was the best Doctor Who? Put it down below. Just below that huge contraption is the statue of Captain Cook. So Captain Cook is famous in Whitby. He also built his ship Endeavour here, which he went exploring the world in. And there is a museum here where you can go and learn all about him. More than I know, clearly. Those steps do look steep,
it's not.
It's a really old building.
Of course, on the way to the Abbey, they found more charity shops. Everywhere we go, I become a charity shop widower. Anyone else? But yeah, cool streets and stuff around here though. There's another charity shop opposite. Pray for Richard. What drinks? One of the other things that it's famous for is
Jet.
And what is jet?
It is like fossilised wood and then polished to like a high standard.
And where does the term jet black come from?
Jet, the stone.
And where does jet the stone come from?
Whitby.
Yeah. There's loads of shops here. Lily keeps saying, should we go in and have a look? And Kelly's like, no!
Oh, she loves a shop, mate. I've already spent enough.
Not being funny, but every shop says the original Whitby jet shop on it. So
Yeah.
I don't know which one is, but there's a few to choose from.
Supposedly they all are.
Apparently they all are. This looks like maybe a bit steep. Look at these steps. We're just going to cycle ourselves up.
It's so hot.
It says 3 minutes to get up. These are 199 steps.
No, it doesn't.
Well, it says on that sign.
What if you're like jogging up there? Shut up.
Yeah, maybe if you're like Jonathan Edwards and you can hop, skip and jump up the bloody things. Do you know who Jonathan Edwards is?
No.
He's the,
I don't care who he is. It's some cool Olympian or something.
he was an Olympian in the 90s and he holds the triple jump world record still.
That's nice, I don't care.
So rude. Trying to culture you.
Don't need to be cultured, love. I just wanted
That
to get my
man's
gum
got
out
his
my bag.
I'll do it.
Too late, I've done it myself.
Don't need no man.
No.
You don't
You get that from you though.
Yeah.
Right, 199 steps.
Woohoo! I'm already
Come
getting
on,
sweaty.
pump those crazy legs.
Me too.
Pump them, pump them, pump them. I hope you're all enjoying looking at Kelly's ankle.
Oh,
I think she's 100.
is it?
Yeah.
I think it's 150.
Feeling the burn. I'm pretty sure this is excellent work for a
If
torn
it's too
meniscus.
fast, that means it's a traction thing.
There are benches all the way up.
It's a good thigh walk workout.
But they're hot.
Want to go over there and touch them? Yeah.
We were down there this morning. Obviously, like most attractions, you have to pay to get in to go and walk around the ruiny bit. But actually, you can walk around the outside of it and still see a great deal of it.
It's very pretty.
And it is a bit breezier up here. We're just trying to seek some shade. The lady in the gift shop, right? You know the tasting lady.
Yeah.
She was like, "You're tasting to buy, not tasting just for tasting." I was like, so I didn't bother.
But she said that to you when you asked.
Well, she was saying it to one of the other ladies in
Oh.
the shop. But the whole point of a taste is that you taste it and
So
you
if you
like
like
it,
it.
and then you buy it.
Yeah.
Like, it's not an obligation to buy it, is it?
No, no, you don't like it.
She's like, grumpy old witch. Here's Whitby Brewery opposite Whitby Abbey, and we're going to try and walk back down Hawker Lane, because at the end of the lane is our campsite, and there's a few things to see on the way, including, I think if you came here in your motorhome, you can stay literally here in this field, which is a pop-up campsite. Almost booked it. It literally opened on the 8th of August, I think, for a few weeks.
I don't think you'd see much more going in.
No, it's like that thing, isn't it? Like if you went to Stonehenge and you pay to get in, or if you just do it from the Drove,
Yeah.
kind of get just the same experience from outside, probably. From the Abbey, it was about 50 minutes. And it's hot, we're tired, but it is past about halfway, isn't it? Half's a little bit sketchy, but we've made it back.
Hooray!
Time for a rest.
Pack horse off.
Pretty warm in here. It's not warm as outside.
Great.
Beetroot head. Okay, so a little bit about Long Meadow Farm. So this is, like I said, it's not a certified location because it's bigger than 5. You've actually got 13 pitches. No, you've got 14. You've got 13 gravelled pitches, 1 hard standing. But for all intents and purposes, they're all hard standing, which one's on concrete. Good little site. The location is key. It's the best part of it, clearly. But you've got everything here that you need as long as you're self-contained. Like you've got water, you've got the LSM point, you have a place to put your rubbish, and you've got your pitch. So as long as you've got a shower and a toilet, you're good to go. Location's perfect between Robin Hood Bay, Whitby, good for Scarborough, good for anywhere around here really. And it's really quiet at night. You do hear the road, but it's not too bad. Didn't keep us awake. Just bring your leveling ramps and you're good to go. So for us, I think it cost us £20.50 a night. We've stayed here for 3 nights. We've got to tidy up tonight and we've got to be out here by 11 o'clock tomorrow. Check in by text. All good really. The view is pretty good.
Okay, obviously there's no showers on this campsite where we are currently at, so we're showering in the van, but just for a minute, imagine that we're on a campsite and I've gone into the shower like in my dressing gown like this, but then when I get in I put on one of Lily's shower caps which is the kids one. So it's not a great fit on my head, and a couple of times I forget that I've had it on and I'll go out of the shower block and start walking back like this, and Lily will be like, "Mummy, you've got that shower cap on your head."
Yesterday I genuinely thought she was wearing it like E17 for a joke, but it's just that it's a child's shower cap.
And there's a mouse on the back.
Doesn't fit on my head.
Brilliant. So yeah, she uses that in here and we're self-contained. That was the whole point, but
it was more funny last
it's good
night.
Yeah, it's a good story. Yeah, when you had it on your head last night it was good, but we couldn't film it last night because she didn't have any clothes on and people frown upon that sort of thing. But anyway, pick up with you in the morning. Okay, we're up, ready to go. It's a scorching day, so on to our next destination.
Thank you so much for watching. You can watch more of us up here, and we'll see you next time. 1, 2, 3. Bye.
Bye.